Welcome back. So we will continue from here. Which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogens to fibrin? This is a straightforward factual question. The answer is thrombin. Option 2 is the answer. So let's use this question as an opportunity to revise the coagulation mechanism. So majority of cuts are minor cuts. They happen in the superficial skin area, okay, under which are capillaries and arterioles. The main arteries are far off. So when there is a minor cut, this small blood vessel will be ruptured. So just imagine this as the city roads. So if the road is damaged, what is the obvious thing we are going to do? We will divert the traffic. Same thing happens here. The damaged endothelium will secrete certain factors like endothelin, and it is going to cause vasoconstriction so that the blood will start moving in other blood vessels. Then second step will be formation of platelet plug. Platelet are usually round, smooth cells flowing in blood, but when they sense any injury, they will turn into spiky and sticky cells. And these sticky cells will stick together and they will help in formation of the initial seal, temporary seal, which is going to slow down the loss of blood from damaged area. Now calcium is one of the coagulation factors. What are coagulation factors? So they are factors which are normally present in inactive form. When they sense any injury, they will be converted into active form. Now in this case, the reaction is catalyzed by enzyme called thrombokinase. Okay, this active thrombin in turn is going to activate fibrinogen into fibrin threads. This is the damaged area, okay, and blood is leaking out. So when fibrinogen forms the fibrin threads, these threads will start to form a network, a meshwork kind of thing. And this is going to hold the dead and damaged form elements, okay, and this is called the clot. So everything grouped together will help in sealing that area, okay. In case of hemophilia, important factor like factor 8 and factor 9 are genetically not inherited. They are missing. So formation of fibrin threads is compromised in these patients, okay. So even minor cut can lead to massive loss of blood from body.